PLTR stock is in the move in the post-market session of today, the 3rd of February 2025. It's up around 12.2% to around $94 or thereabout. We'll confirm that. So the company expects a fiscal 2025 revenue between $3.74 billion and $3.76 billion versus estimate of $3.52 billion. But entire forecast Q1 revenue between $858 million and $862 million versus estimate of $799.4 million on adjusted basis. Palantir and 14 cents per share in the fourth quarter of last year, 2025, beating estimates of 11 cents. Palantir shares has risen to 340.5% in 20, rose 340.5% in 2024, and is benefiting from a rally in AI-linked stocks. Yeah, so this is what we are looking at right now. It's currently at 99. So that gain is more than 12%. Currently trading at 98.83 dollars in this post market session. This is the 1 hour chart. There's a downward projection of 86.59. This idea. What are the odds that that will happen? What are the odds that it's going to pull back? Let's look at the 2 hour chart and see. We are broke through this upper projection of 80 of roughly $90.3. Let's have a look and see down here. 3 hour chart. Yeah, no upper projections in sight, but there is a downward projection that is just not far off. We have 95.58, something that can happen. Below that we have 92.90. Below that we have 88.60. Okay, let's have a look at its 4 hour chart and see. Yeah, 4 hour chart, there's a projection there, upper projection of let's get it 100.77, but below there's a down projection of 95.7. Below we have 88.96. Yeah, so let's quickly move on to the next stock, SMCI. SMCI, let's see, this is its 4 hour chart. Let's see whether we can find any news after DeepSeek. Okay, there's no fresh news as such. There is some here. Let's see what it's saying. Market Edge highlights ETN, STR, SMCI, and CEG and NVIDIA. Okay, let's see. Let's see what they're saying about okay. Supermicro produces racks and server systems. Earnings are expected to soar 43% in 2025. Shares of Supermicro Computer down 15.9% in the past 4 days after DeepSeek panic. It's the cheapest of the infrastructure stocks. Supermicro Computer trades at a price earning ratio of 8.8. A price earning ratio under 15 is considered a value, and Supermicro is under $10. Is under 10 rather. Okay, so yeah, this is its 4 hour chart. The stock has not been performing well of late, at least in a very short time. But regardless, there's on this 4 hour chart we have an upper projection of 31.42. Above that, there is a negative projection of 32.69. And there is equally another negated one, 33.57. Let's have a look at its daily chart and see. You can see what I mean. It's just been bearish. I think it used to be a bullish stock, but now the 200 moving average is sloping bearishly lower, and it has a downward projection of 25.52. and all the way down to 21.85. There isn't any upper projection. There's okay. There's an upper projection. It's actually not. We don't have any at the moment. They are all out of play. But we can quickly compute that. But what are the odds that it's going to bottom anytime soon? What are the odds that it's going to find a bottom anytime soon? We don't exactly know when, if that is going to happen anytime soon. So let's see. We can actually see if we can compute an upper projection for. We can take this high of 28.74. You got a rejection there, 28.74. And then we have this low of 27.81 minus 27.81. We have 0.93 multiplied by 1.618. We add that to the current price of closing price of 26.85. You have 28.35 as an upper projection, very modest. 28.35, really, really modest. Right, as a matter of fact, it's actually just slightly above where that rejection is. That rejection is 28.55. So, okay, yes, we'll move on to the next one. Next stock is OKLO. Let's see why it's trending. There isn't any, there are no upper projections we have seen here on the stock. Let's see, let's have a look at the hourly chart and see. Let's get a 1 hour chart. Nothing here really. Let's look at the 2 hour chart and see. Okay, yeah, the upper projections here. We have 49.74. We have 54.55. And all the way towards 57.50. These are upper projections for OKLO Inc. Let's have a look at its 3 hour chart. Or maybe it's 4 hour chart. Okay, yeah. It's just right on its upper projection. So yeah, let's move on to ASTS. ASTS is it seems it is in a bearish trend. Let's see on the 4 hour chart easily. Yes, it's in a bearish trend. It's likely to be the case on the daily chart. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, yeah, we were looking at ASTS. Okay, yeah, still bullish on the daily chart. Still bullish, but we don't have over projections. We had some before, but they are not in play. They go all the way back to the projections and the upper projection. They are not in play, but we have one here, 39.72, and we have a couple of them, and We have the one below that as 37.23, and the one next is 34.26, 32.11. We have, as a matter of fact, quite a lot of them, and we're not even really referring to them. 29.01, that's an upper projection, but not in play. There are down projections. We have 17.61. We have 15.19. We have 13.84. For ASTS. Let's see whether we can find any news. Okay. FCA approval. Maybe today it's is it didn't pull back. It's actually gained today. Gained at 6.06%, 6.08%. Okay, let's move on to CYCN. CYCN, let's see what we can find here. Okay, no news, no fresh news. Stock is in, yeah, okay, should gain some 35.71% in this in the regular session of today, the 3rd of February. Let's have a look at its hourly chart and see. It is showing strength within a longer term bearish trend, I think. Yeah, so the gains, as a matter of fact, this is its 1 hour chart. It was actually trading at 2.33 at some point and reached, got a rejection at 5.91 at some point in the regular session of the day, the 3rd of February, and it's just resting on a down projection of $5.21. Extrapolation for its on its hourly chart is that the contraction is expected. This is its 4 hour chart. Okay, let's have a look at another stock, Root. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's behind this strength it's showing, especially on this hour. On the hourly chart, we haven't seen anything. Let's see, gained 8.92%. No upper projections in sight. Let's jump all the way down to its daily chart and see. Yeah, strongly bullish, showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. The upper projection we have here is 106.83. Could get there anytime soon. So let's move on to the next stock. PYPL, PayPal. Hop into PayPal. Let's see. Gain 1%. PayPal Holdings Inc. will report its quarterly earnings on the 4th of February alongside major companies like AMD, Alphabet, and PepsiCo. Yeah, no upper projections. Couple of downward projections here. We have 88.91. Let's have a look at its 2 hour chart. Yeah, strength is expected to remain intact till Wednesday, the 5th of February. Yeah, yeah, 3 hour chart. We have upper projections, but they're not in play at the moment. We have 92.64, 91.72. Yeah, 4 hour chart. Let's see. Upper projections, but they're not in play. We have 91.83. We have 92.68. There are downward projections. We have 87.43. We have 86.15. These are downward projections, and 85.30. So let's see OMI. Yeah, huge plunge on this hourly chart. Huge plunge all the way down to 9.27. Okay. Probably some fundamental news is behind that plunge. 35.1% is what it lost. Let's look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah, pretty much the same thing. Okay, let's look at NXPI. Okay, showing some strength within longer term bullish trend. Let's see whether we can find any news. Fact of the day: NXP Semiconductors will release its financial results after the market closes today, alongside earnings reports from Palantir and Everest Group. Okay, it seems it has announced the earnings disclosure, earnings outcomes. Yeah, it has. So yeah, it's currently trading at 207.89. Let's see. It's 1 hour chart and see. Yeah, we have upper projection here of $209.8. We have its 200 period moving average in place as well. It's at in its where as well in its upper trajectory. We have 212.78. And the projections go all the way towards 241.23, but they're not in play, obviously. Yes. 2-hour chart. There's a down projection of 202.76. Let's look at the daily chart and see. Yeah, it's showing some strength. No, not showing any strength. It's the stock is in a bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower. And let's see. We have a downward projection here of 203.21, upper projection of 215.97. We have 221 point. These are upper projections. 221.32. And we have 224.63. Okay, yeah. So see what you make of all these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.